We are doing front kicks, and this is used for warm up of the lower body. So, what we are doing is we are standing straight, taking one arm up, and on the oblique side, we will take one leg back. That will be your left leg. So, take your left leg back, and your whole weight will be on your right leg. Try to not let your left hip drop. So, let it take up, left hip up. Now, what you have to do is the movement is to touch your left toe with your right hand. Go. And in this movement, what you have to do is you have to take your core in and keep your torso straight and balance your whole weight on your right leg. Once we are done with at least 10 to 20 times on one side, we will switch it to the other side. People might lean on the other side. So, what we have to do is we have to take care of our trunk control. So, it is always better to look in the mirror and then do the movement. And in this movement, your knee should be straight and lift your leg higher. Yes, and bring it back controllable. Normally, people do it with uncontrolled movement, just kicking your leg in the air high, which actually doesn't warm up your muscle and it stresses your joint area more. In this way, when you are doing it in control movement, your neurodynamics before you perform any physical activity or sports is better. So try to do it at least 20 on each side and switch to the next warm up.